fireworks.
Hey, you gotta wrap it.
Well, it's just a thing.
Yeah.
Illegal activity.
Why are you videoing? Get out of here, man. Some kind of.
I feel like a traitor. I am a traitor. A house traitor. Gryffindor socks. On a Ravenclaw. We're at the liquor store and there are a ton of cars here.
Should I be super bougie?
Be super boozy. It's New Year's Eve.
I have to. My boyfriend pissed me off.
Alright! Woo! Anyway, yeah, it's New Year's Eve. And we're going to a party at Kate's. And I've got my muggle hat on. And yeah, whoa, please don't fall, young woman. Please don't fall. Don't fall. Don't fall. And Borns is on the radio. We're gonna have some fun tonight. New Year's Eve! I don't think they'll fit.
It barely fits me. It might fit you better than me.
Okay. Now listen a minute.
I need to cut some of my juice. My juicy juice.
No?
No, he is.
No, you don't know? That's good.
He's sweet. No. Go drink more beer. I am fine.
Give me an intro.
Hi, it's New Year's Eve!
Is it a little warm for you?
Was that good enough? I'm so bad at vlogging.
I'm just drinking my drink. Don't hit me. What are you? Oh, what?
Goodbye. I'll let him tell you. A little bit.
It's New Year's Eve.
Kyle looks like he's mad right now.
Go.
What are we doing?
Truth or dare.
Okay.
Mom spaghetti!
Okay, so I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 100. Whoever gets it right goes first.
69.
Called up my day.
Where's she at?
Okay.
My little sick girl, she's hiding.
Hi.
Sure.
Come up here.
For what?
Truth or dare?
You can answer.
Come on.
He's proposing. He's on his knees. If you post any footage of me, I will get my lawyer.
Have you ever gotten a Blinken pie?
I'd like to try. Truth or dare?
Oh gosh.
Wait, I think he's putting your base up for you.
There, that's all it does. That was all me.
Because it sounds like I'm God. I dare you
Uh-oh.
to go get a piece of snow and stick it down Casey's shirt.
Oh!
That's my good one. Oh, it's getting ice.
So pissed. That's good. That's good.
Oh!
I didn't get a Bravo.
That could have been worse.
Douglas.
No!
Fucking ass.
Douglas, someone give me a camera. There, next. This is weird. I'm sorry.
Douglas Campbell, have you ever touched a penis?
Twice. When's the last time you and Brandon had sex?
Was it yesterday?
This may be too inappropriate to film anymore. I think I'm done. I think.
More beer.
Oh, more beer.
Look at that sexy back knee. Look at that. Look at that sexy back knee.
How did it taste?
Tastes like everything else.
Okay, here we go. Oh my god.
No, right there.
What's this?
It's just enough for this lady. You'll push it under. Oh wait, no, not this one.
Part of the dance.
It is. Okay, basically what we were
I have
trying
got
to
to
do
pee.
is reenact the last scene between Jack and Rose and Titanic.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
The ball's still dropping. 44, 42, 41, 40.
It's midnight already.
Fuck. Let's go see fireworks.
Oh!
Lighting fireworks is a tradition for the end of the year, man.
Oh shit, let's go. Oh shit, we're above my face.
Oh my god!
Ah! Oh my gosh. Please no one get burned profusely tonight. Can they even see in the smoke? Oh no.
Go!
Oh my god, go!
Run!
Remember about me not liking booms? Well, I put up with it once a year. Kelsey! That's not supposed to do that! Selfie happening behind me.
New Year's selfie.
I'm Greg. I do not recommend shooting off fireworks. Don't do this at home. Oh, there goes another one.
Oh, right on the ground. Oh, right on the roof. That one's right.
That was cool. Fireworks weren't legal in Michigan for like until like 2 years ago, was it? Like these kind of fireworks.
It's been a few. Been a few years.
Kyle spent some pretty money on these ones too. Is that it?
These are my friends.
We should go light up some of that.
Okay. I'm too cold.
And this is the end of my New Year's Eve. Sipping champagne, pink champagne, in a live, laugh, love wine glass. While watching The Amazing Race. Happy 2016, YouTube. Mwah!